Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. And let go of Maya, the worldly distraction. As you inhale, feel the life force, the prana, filling you with eternal bond of love, strength, and energy. Exhale and release tension. Ground yourself in the present. In this moment, recognize your true nature, the Atman, untouched by the external chaos. Let ancient wisdom guide you to a state of calm. Imagine yourself surrounded by a serene light, symbolizing wisdom. As you breathe, invite this light into your heart, dispelling pain, doubt, and darkness. Release all judgments and immerse yourself in this light where true wisdom resides. Let it envelop you, bringing clarity, peace, and security. With each breath, affirm your connection with the universal consciousness that unites all beings. Feel the rhythm of your breath anchoring you to the present. Embrace the stillness within, where true wisdom resides. In this sacred space, let go of fear and doubt. You are a vessel of peace, a reflection of cosmos, whole and complete. Let this ancient teaching flow through you, reminding you of your divine essence. As you navigate life's currents, carry this wisdom in your heart. You are resilient. You are light. And you are one with the universe. Return to this sanctuary whenever you need to find balance and clarity. Embrace gratitude for the peace within. Stay connected with the boundless ocean of consciousness, realizing you are a part of this infinite universe, whole and complete.